You will love our 2016 Subaru Legacy 2.5i all-wheel drive. Presented to you in crystal white pearl, our incredible sedan is powered by our 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, which generates a gutsy 175 horsepower. It feels nimble, composed, and with an innovative paddle-shifted CVT, you'll score nearly 36 miles per gallon on the open road. This great-looking 2.5i Legacy is enhanced with 17-inch wheels and automatic headlights. Style continues into the cabin that is both well-built with premium materials and filled with convenient amenities made to spoil. Full power accessories, a 60/40 split folding rear seat, and a rear view camera are just a sampling of features. Enjoy the convenience of a touchscreen display, Bluetooth connectivity, and a sound system with USB iPod interface and smartphone integration with Pandora and AHA audio streaming. You'll have peace of mind knowing that your Legacy includes a host of advanced safety features. Print this page and call us now. We know you will enjoy your test drive toward ownership. Valley Subaru, located at 1045 Ken Pratt Boulevard in Longmont, stays true to the Subaru love promise, partnering with nonprofits and charities. Explore our new inventory or our pre-owned vehicles on our website for adventures to experience, protection for the family, and a vehicle to love for a long time. Ask about our 2-year free maintenance plan and the Valley Advantage, which provides a 6-year, 100,000-mile limited powertrain warranty with the purchase of a new Subaru. Don't worry, be Valley.